Hello everyone, this is Eran Noam Katz from King David Legacy Center from Jerusalem near the Temple Mount, Israel. I would like to speak about King Solomon seals. Many people ask me why the seals doesn't work. I bought the seals, the jewelry, but it doesn't do the job. So I explained them it's like to bought an iPhone and you didn't download any application. So you have the material, but you don't have the power or the software to work with it. The same with the seals. You need to pray. You need to, in Hebrew it's called lechaven, to pray for the person with his mother name, so the seal will work for him, for the blessing, for everything that the person pray for himself. Let's see some of the seals today, and we will try to learn. A short view of King David Legacy Center. You are well welcome to contact me 24/6, not in Shabbat. In Shabbat I am offline, but after Shabbat I can see the WhatsApp, so you can WhatsApp me or text me or voice message me with a picture of your seals, and I can answer your question. So in this kind of seal, if a person feels that there is a block in every part of his life, studies, business, any issue in his life, he feels that he have a problem, he struggle for everything, so this seal can solve the problem. You can see the holy names which we need to pray to operate the seal. This seal is for helping the person fix himself. If a person have like a bad manner, like he is always in a aggressive mode, or is jealous, or any measure that the person have that he wishes to fix, this seal can bless and help. This seal is for a person that he is like a teacher or spiritual guiding, which you want to get high and high in his level, to be sure that he will not be flanked in his word, like he will be always correct by the tradition, by the wisdom, by the God wisdom. So this kind of a seal can make him very accuracy for his study and for his teaching. I would like to show you this 72 name plate is silver plated, and there is a rabbi that called Aramban Nachmani, and he said he was a very high Mekubal, and he said that every person that pray, in Hebrew it's called mechaven, like from the heart pray, in those 72 names, it will be protected. So also those 72 name plate you can order from me, silver plated or gold plated. It's $100 for each, not included mail. Mail delivery today for the United States it's like $50, so it's $150 for each plate. This is Eran Noam Katz from King David Legacy Center. Jerusalem, Israel. Thank you for listening.